I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blended margarita. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lime juice, a good quality tequila, and an orange liqueur like Cointreau or Triple Sec. Don't forget to prepare a simple syrup by dissolving sugar in hot water and have plenty of ice on hand. A salt-trimmed glass adds that classic touch, so get that ready too. These foundational elements are key to a delicious drink. Now, let's talk about the perfect proportions for a balanced blended margarita. A classic ratio involves combining 2 parts tequila with 1 part fresh lime juice. Then, add 1 part orange liqueur, which provides both sweetness and a citrusy depth. Finally, incorporate about 1/2 part simple syrup to perfectly balance the tartness of the lime. Remember, you can always adjust the simple syrup to suit your personal taste for sweetness. This ratio ensures a harmonious flavor profile. With your ingredients measured, it's time for the blending magic. Pour all your liquid ingredients into a sturdy, high-speed blender. Next, add approximately 1½ cups of ice for a single serving, or adjust for more. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a delightful slushy consistency. Be careful not to overblend, as this can melt the ice too much and dilute the vibrant flavors of your margarita. Aim for a perfect frosty texture. Your perfect blended margarita is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the frosty mixture into your previously prepared, salt-trimmed glass. For an elegant touch, garnish with a fresh lime wheel or a simple lime wedge. It's crucial to serve your margarita immediately to fully appreciate its wonderfully cold and slushy texture before it begins to melt. For a fun twist, you could even add a splash of fruit puree like strawberry or mango before blending. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.